In this video, I'm looking at how to express a number as a percentage and how to calculate a percentage. So 25 out of 40 on a quiz, and we want to work that out as a percentage. One of the questions that a lot of math students want to find out when they get their mark on their exam. How do we find out what percentage that is? So 25 out of 40, we'll write 25 over 40. Now we've got a couple of options. If we want to do that by hand, we obviously want to get that to a number over 100. The other option is to use our calculators, and we do have a percentage button on there. So if you look above the bracket sign, you can see a percent there, and you can also see convert to a percent. That's what the little arrow percent means. So if we put our fraction in, and we have got 25 out of 40, oops, and put the arrow to the side, then do second bracket, we can see that it now comes up on the screen. Change that to percent, and it comes up with 62.5%. Another option is to just simply do the 25 divided by 40, and we get 0.625. And we know once we've got a decimal, we multiply that by 100, and that will give us our percentage, 62.5. If we were wanting to do it by hand, obviously we need to work out how to get the 40 over 100, but as we can see, we're going to get a decimal, so we'd end up going to over 1,000, etc. Easiest way, and most commonly, you can do this on an exam with your calculator. Finding 20% of 80. So we can use our calculator again for that. We can use the percent sign, so we can actually do that 20% times 80. So we can grab our calculator, type in our 20, second, this time using the first bracket there. See, we get 20% on our calculator, times by the 80, and we get an answer of 16. Another option is to say, well, you know that 20% is the same as 0.2. So you can do 0.2 times 80, grab your calculator, 0.2 times 80, and you get 16. Another option is to say 20%. I know that that's 20 over 100, which is the same as 2 over 10, which is the same as 1/5. And you could then do 1/5 times 80, and that would give you 80 over 5. And when you do 80 divided by 5, you would get 16. So a couple of different ways that you can work that one out.